honey.
Yeah.
If you're coughing, how you do to cover your cough?
You had to always cough like this. That's a good way because if you cough like that, I mean, no one wants to touch your clothes. Like, it's like good because this is like your private spot that no one wants to touch.
Why you don't use your hand to cover?
Here's an example. This is fake cough. Achoo! If you do that, give me your hand. For example, if I cough on my hand and I shake someone's hand,
Okay.
or I touch them, they'll be sick tomorrow and they'll have my germs.
It spread to me,
It
right?
spreads to someone else when you cough on someone, and if you do it with your hand, your germs will be on there. If you do that, go to the bathroom right away and wash your hands, or get hand sanitizer.
Okay.
Hand
Show me again
sanitizer.
how you cough. Thank you.